How to log into your Paramount Plus on new phone. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are logged out of your Paramount account on your old phone. Then on your new phone, you can simply open the application, and then from here, make sure that Paramount Plus is installed on your phone, right? You can simply open the application from here, and after opening the application here, make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your Paramount Plus account, right? So after making sure you do remember that, then you can simply tap on sign in from this interface, from where you can actually simply add down the email ID and the password of your Paramount Plus account. Then you can simply tap on continue, and then you can simply log into your account like that. So in here, if you have your Paramount Plus account through a internet, mobile, or a TV provider, then you need to tap on connect provider and add in all of the credentials of your provider that your provider would provide, which would be either Apple TV, Hulu, Cox, Roku, YouTube, or anything like that. You can add in their credential and log in too. So in here, if unfortunately you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the option forgot password right here, and then go along with the process of how you will actually be able to recover your password too. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.